Hi, welcome to Inkmay. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post from your WordPress website directly to your Instagram page using Social Auto Poster. First, you need to activate the plugins. This is the plugin I'm going to be using for this purpose, Social Auto Poster. This is the plugins I'm going to be using. I will leave the link in the description below for you to download this plugin. So make sure you have it activated. As you can see here, I've already done that. So now to set your Instagram so that you can post from your WordPress to Instagram, just click on these settings. Although with this software you can post to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or most social networks, but in this very tutorial I'm going to show you how to post to Instagram. So first, make sure you have this enable social posting logs. You have it checked. Schedule post to all instantly. If you like, you can set it to schedule, but in this tutorial I'm going to leave it to instantly so that we can see the effect immediately. So now I'll click on Instagram. The first option here is to enable auto posting to Instagram. Have it checked. Then enable Instagram for auto posting. Just select post. Then select tag. As you can see here, select the tags for each post type that you want to post as hashtag. As you know, when you upload pictures to Instagram for you to publish, you enter some hashtag. So since we are posting to Instagram, your hashtag will be your tags here on your page. Well, let's just do it so that you see. If you click on this box, select these tags, select categories. You can also use your categories here on WordPress as your hashtag on Instagram. I'll do that also. Exclude specific category. Well, this is not necessary. URL shortener. Just leave it at the default. Although if you want to shorten your URL to any of these, you can select that as well. But I'll just leave it the way it is. Now, next step. You are required to enter your Instagram username and Instagram password. That should be easy. I will enter mine. And I will enter my password also. Now that I have that entered, I'll just click on the save changes. Okay, now that I've saved the changes, now I can see my username here, meaning it has integrated with Instagram. So just select this first one. Don't forget, auto post. We are auto posting our posts to Instagram, not pages. So make sure the one we selected here, which is post, is the one you select your username for, which is this very first one. So I'll select my username here. Content message. In case you did not see all this here, in case they are not here, you can enter them yourself as been displayed on the format here. Like links will display the default post link. Site name will display the site name of your site. So the first thing I need to do is just copy and paste this here so that it will show my post link, then display my title also, the title of my post. Then most importantly, I want it to display my hashtags. Don't forget, your post tag here on WordPress, it's what is going to be used as your hashtag on Instagram. So after that, I want you to display my hashtag also. Then I'll click on save changes. Okay, now that I've done these changes, I'm ready to publish my first post. To do this, I'll just create a new post. Since this is just a demo, I will just give it any title. I want you to show up on Instagram. I don't know even that if that is correct. Instagram. Okay. Now next, you can enter. Let's just check for dummy text. Dummy text. dummy text, so that at least we have a little content to display. Okay, paste it here. Now, as I told you earlier, your tags on WordPress will be your hashtag on Facebook, on Instagram. Sorry. So I already prepared a hashtag, a tag. So I will just copy the tags. Make sure you separate each word with comma, just as you would do in WordPress. Click add. So all these tags here will be used as hashtag on my Instagram page. So social auto poster settings, have this checked. Publish post to Instagram. Just leave the rest at default. Now we need to upload a picture that will be displayed. It's either you use the feature image, or you can override the feature image by uploading your own image here. Well, I will use the feature image for this tutorial. Let's check for picture Pixabay. Any picture at all will do the trick. Well, I love this. Let's use this. Let's just save it. Okay. Okay. So now everything is ready. The next thing we need to do is just select our category. Then let's click on publish. Wait for it. Okay, now the auto poster plugins is going to publish this very post to my Instagram page. To check if this has been done, you can scroll down to the social auto post setting. I don't know what's wrong with me. As you can see, the status said publish, meaning it has published this post to our Instagram. Now let's go and check that to be sure. Instagram. Okay, as you can see, 37 seconds ago, just like as we set it up on our Instagram page. We said first it will show our link, then our title, then hashtag. That's the way it has done it. Our link, our title, look at the title, then hashtags, look at the hashtag we used. And if you want to check, because of the hashtag we used, you can see we are having likes for them also. So I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so now, so that you can receive updates on our new videos. On our next video, I'm going to show you how to use this same software to publish your post to Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of social networks. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.